In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view orders report fast and easy. Whether you're managing a small online store or a large e-commerce platform, having quick access to your orders report is essential for understanding your business's performance. Let's dive in. First, we need to head over to the WordPress Dashboard. You should already be logged in to WordPress to do this. If you're not, pause this video and make sure you log into your WordPress account, because all our actions will start from there. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. This is where all the magic begins. Next, you'll want to locate and click on the WooCommerce option in the menu on the left-hand side of your screen. WooCommerce is the backbone of your online store, and here is where you'll find all the tools you need to manage your sales, products, and customer information effectively. Clicking on WooCommerce will reveal a drop-down menu with several options. From the options presented under WooCommerce, click on Reports. This section provides you with various analytical tools to get insights into your store's performance. Reports are crucial as they help you track sales, products, and general business trends, empowering you to make informed decisions. Now that you're in the Reports section, the next step is to click on Orders. This will direct you to the specific reports that deal with customer orders. From the Orders section, you can view detailed insights about the number of orders, the total sales value, and averages. These metrics are vital for gauging how well your products are doing and where improvements might be needed. Once you've clicked on Orders, you'll see an option to choose a time period for your report. This feature allows you to tailor the report to suit your specific analytical needs. You can select a predefined period such as today, this week, or this year, or customize it for any date range that you're interested in examining. Selecting the right time frame is important because it provides context to the data you're looking at. It can show you trends over time or focus on recent sales achievements. And finally, take a closer look at the comprehensive report that's now in front of you. You'll see a summary of key statistics, including the number of orders received, total sales amounts, and averages per order. These insights can provide you with a clear picture of your store's performance, helping you pinpoint strengths and identify areas that may require attention. Make sure to regularly check these reports to stay updated with your business's progress. And there you have it. In just a few steps, you've successfully accessed and viewed your orders report quickly and easily. Knowing how to access these reports effectively will undoubtedly enhance your ability to manage your store and drive sales. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.